What's happening, fellow YouTubers? If you are into gadgets like I am, I've been into electronic gadgets my whole life. Here's a good one for you. If you have a need to be able to convert an HDMI signal coming out of a modern electronic video device into an RCA component plug signal, here is your trick. I got one of these a couple of months ago because I had a need for on one of my Roku boxes. I wanted to send the audio signal to a different stereo preamp, and it needed an RCA cable to do it, like this, of course. However, if you know, coming out of most Roku boxes, you only have an HDMI port coming out the back. So it becomes a problem if if you're trying to use maybe an older stereo system or something like that for your audio. So check this out. You send your HDMI cable to the in port here. You can also choose NTSC or PAL as your format. Then on the other end, your output can be standard RCA type cables for video and for stereo audio. So then you could run that, into an older TV, or even an older VCR or something like that, or older stereo equipment. Check it out, though. It works great. I've been using this for quite a while now. Fantastic. I want to say I got it on eBay, so just look this up here, Rasfox, or just search for HDMI converter, and you'll find it. It's on there. Very freaking handy, man. I mean, technology is nice and all, but sometimes you need to collaborate the old and the new, and this allows you to do such a thing. Was not very expensive, but works beautifully. Very simple. Anyway, check out our other stuff on our channel. We're always doing stuff with technology or fixing stuff around the house, motorcycles, cars, lawnmowers, how to make stuff better around your house, little life hacks and whatnot. So we're always up to something, if you know what I mean. And anyway, that's that. So like, subscribe, follow. We'll see y'all later.